Today we are talking about fonts, or the style in which your text is placed. So we've got sans serif, serif. Here's another example of a sans serif, Montserrat, which is currently trending, and a script. So generally, for website legibility purposes, you're going to want to stick to two maximum. So maybe you're using Montserrat Light, and then you're also using Montserrat Regular. That counts as two. You could also be using maybe Fair Play Display and Montserrat. That works too, but I wouldn't be using Montserrat, Fair Play Display, Times New Roman, and Poppins. It's just not going to work. It's too much. And that's usually indicative of a DIY website, especially one that's created on Wix. So Wix generally lets you drag and drop different templates onto your web page. So if you're going to grab this team build section here, maybe you're going to grab this services section, they are already going to be formatted with different typefaces, and they will not automatically update to what you have put as your default. So you need to manually go into all of these and reset them. Another thing to consider is sizing. We want to make sure that we are consistent throughout. Trends show that 18 point, while yes, it looks really large, it actually is better for legibility and search engine optimization purposes. So keep that in mind as you go through your fonts on your website.